Hello everyone. In this video, I will show you how to use Sezzle Spend. First, let's see how to find your Sezzle Spend balance. Open the Sezzle app and tap the Earn tab. Then select the Sezzle Spend icon to view your available balance. This will show you how much Sezzle Spend you currently have available. Now let's go over how to use Sezzle Spend when making a purchase. If you are shopping online at a store that supports Sezzle checkout, add your items to the cart and proceed to payment. Select Sezzle as your payment method. You will be redirected to the Sezzle payment screen, where you can turn on your available Sezzle Spend before completing the order. Once enabled, the reward will be applied to your purchase. If you are using the Sezzle virtual card, whether online or in a physical store, open the app and follow the purchase request process. During this process, you can turn on your available Sezzle Spend before finalizing the transaction. For purchases that are paid in full, Sezzle Spend is applied automatically when available. One important thing to remember is that Sezzle Spend reduces your payment plan balance starting with the final installment and then works backward through the remaining installments. Thanks for watching.